Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Fine.
Can we see what we will prepare today?
Yes.
What we will do today? Press. Okay. What do we need to make hydraulic press? We need wooden toys. Yes. Okay. Okay. Like this. We need syringe. We need this one, which will be the plates, the bottom plates. Glue gun. Okay. What else? Scissors. We are gonna need a gun. Oh, this is a drill. Okay. Now, when we prepare our hydraulic press, we will show it to you. Okay. Bye.
We have made our hydraulic press, and now we will crush those cups.
Okay, let's go. Wow! Wow! Yalla, say bye. Yalla, go ahead.
Now we're gonna crush this one.
Okay.
No, it's very hard. I can. Now let's try like this.
Okay, like this.
That's easier.
Wow!
Now we gonna crush this bucket.
Let's go. Wow! Cool!
Now
Yeah, let's crush another one. Go ahead, yeah. Oops! Again. Please hold the cup from the bottom. Go ahead, Cristiana. Wow! Okay, let's try another one.
Now it's on Maria.
Yeah, go ahead. Help him, help her.
Okay, yan. Yan ako.
Wow! Yalla, go ahead, Anna Maria. Wow! Okay, yeah. Try it again. Do it again. Yes. Okay, yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.